Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you a super easy way to add cool particle effects to your videos by using a template. With just a couple of clicks, you can add a professional looking particle effects to help you make your videos stand out. As you can see, I have this video I'm going to play it for you. This footage has everything except those particles that are flying around when you burn the wood. So we are going to add some of the particles, so this will have a very good look. For that, you need to download a template for the particles. Just open up your Google Chrome. Here, search for Pixabay. You can use this. Here, search for the videos. And here, search for the particles. There are many particles that you can choose from. For example, this one. This one will be great for a star in the sky. Yeah, this one looks good. Let's play it. Yeah, this one will be perfect for that. Just click here, download. And now once it is downloaded, let's import that downloaded file into Premiere Pro. Here, I'm going to drag and drop right here. And now let's move this video onto our timeline. You see this one is without particles. Now let's add the particles at the top of this one. Make sure it covers the whole video. So I'm going to trim it right here. I'm going to resize the audio and delete its file. Now select the upper layer, that is the particles one. Go to the effects control. If you can't find this file, you need to go to Windows and here search for the effects control. Now keep on selecting this layer. On the opacity menu, open this blend mode and select it to screen. You see all of the black background is now removed. If I play the video, you see all of these particles are from the overlay. If I hide this layer, you see all of the particles are now gone. You can play with the opacity to make it looks good. You can also use the lighten for this one. With just few easy steps, you can add customizable particle effects to your Premiere Pro videos quickly. By using these templates, you can save tons of your time instead of starting from scratch. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.